Hi there, my Tills. Welcome back to my channel. It is yours truly, Miss Bliss. If you're new to me in, a warm welcome, 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 welcome. So glad that you decided to stop by and check out today's video. So by the thumbnail, you already know what today's video is already about. You know that it's something pertaining to skin. So, y'all, I have been dealing with like some type of acne here. I don't know if it's hormone change. I don't know if it's stemming from the last set of braids that I had. The girl was feeling a little bit lazy, so I did not clean the hair. I just installed it as is. So I don't know if that's what's affecting me, or I don't know if it's just simply something dietary. But let me show you guys exactly what I'm talking about here. Now, it was protruding way more than what it is now. But, and then this where one was, is slowly going away. And then I had like a little one here, but that went away. So y'all, I don't know if it was because that time of the month was coming, but it completely has freaked me out because it's just not something that I'm accustomed to. Y'all, like, for most people, most females, last time you've seen the pimple was like high school, right? Maybe even not even high school, maybe middle school. But y'all, totally freaked me out. So I have really been trying to nurture my skin. I hardly ever wear makeup. It's just special occasions that I'll throw on just a little bit of makeup, but I don't even do full face. I just do eyebrows, eyes, maybe a little blush for the cheeks, maybe a little slight lippy, but nothing too serious because I'm just not a makeup artiste like that. Just a little something something depending on what I'm doing. But y'all, I'm not feeling it at all. Like, come on. So I am going to try to combat that with one of my oldies but goodies. But before we jump into that, let me just get her all cleaned up and then we'll follow up with what I'm going to use. Okay? So give me about an hour. Yes. I need an hour. Okay? And then I'll be back. Okay, you guys. So I am back. I had to shower, but luckily for you, it didn't take me an hour. I tried to make it as quick as possible because I know y'all got other stuff to do. So, face is freshly washed. As you can see, your girl is all ashy because I did wash my face. I only had time to moisturize my lips. Here we are here. We want that completely gone. We want that completely gone. So, I'm just going to use this here. You guys know I like this stuff. I don't use it very often. I may use it after I've worn makeup just to make sure that my pores are clear and clean. So I'm going to go in with this Sea Breeze Sensitive Skin Astringent. It's one of my favorite things. I'm going to use my little pads here to apply it. So it's going to go in and I'm going to just put a little bit on my, it doesn't take a whole lot. This is what it looks like. And I'm just going to clean the dirt off. Be careful not to get it in your eyes. Because trust me, you ain't going to like it. And yeah, that's it. So this is what I'm working with here. You can see the little dirt on there. Not a whole lot, so happy about that. And so this is what I've been using just to kind of help with what I'm dealing with. So we're just going to monitor it and see how it goes. Anyway, I hope this video was helpful. I'll see you till it's in the next one. Smooches.